Hi, what's up? I tried something. These are upgraded propellers for the Mavic 2 Pro. Now, what they're claiming is that you're going to get a noise level reduction of your drone by -2 decibels.
What?
And I thought, really? Okay, I'll try it. Either way, it's by a company called Master Airscrew. They're called Stealth Upgrade Propellers. And you get four in a pack. You get a complete set. We're gonna put these on right now because I wanna see if this is really gonna work. If it does, well worth the money. And I'm gonna put a link in the description so that you can take part in this masterful mind of Master Airscrewing. Seriously enough, I don't work for this company. They don't even know me. They don't know that I'm making this video, and they did not sponsor this video. I'm making this just because I want to share the wealth if these work. Yeah, that wasn't really, it was just spinning around like a, you know, like a fidget spinner. So, in order to test these out, I took this thing to the park. I put the original Mavic 2 Pro props on to test that first. I threw the drone up about 10 feet in the air. I used an app and an external microphone on my mobile phone to test the decibel level. Got that reading, dropped the drone down, threw the Master Airscrew upgrade stealth props on, like these right here, put it up and tried to recreate that same scene, tried to get that drone at about 10 feet, keep everything as even keel as I possibly could, stood back at the same distance, checked the decibel level, and I kid you not, as you can see right here on the screen, it was significantly lower. I'm impressed. I love these things. And for the money, I mean, you can't beat it. So I will leave a link in the description below where you can go and check out this company for yourself because they have a wide variety of stuff, not just for the Mavic series. I believe they cover all of the DJI products. So if you found this video interesting and you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button or the thumbs up button or whatever you want to call that thing. And hit the subscribe button if you feel like doing that. If you don't, hey, great too. But if you do subscribe, go ahead and hit the bell so you know when I post again. And that is all I have to say about that. I'll see you when I come back.